Timeline: where and when has Trump involved the U.S. military in international conflicts? 2026. Timeline: where and when has Trump involved the U.S. military in international conflicts? This question matters because understanding these moments reveals how U.S. military actions shaped global tensions during his administration. One of the first major involvements of the U.S. military under Trump was the 2017 missile strike on a Syrian airbase. This marked a clear use of military force in response to chemical attacks, signaling a new phase of U.S. military engagement in the Middle East. The strikes aimed to deter further chemical weapons use and showed Trump's willingness to use military power without a congressional declaration of war. A pivotal moment came in January 2020, when Trump authorized a drone strike near Baghdad International Airport that killed Iranian General Qasem Soleimani. This military action sharply increased tensions between the U.S. and Iran and led to retaliatory missile attacks on U.S. bases in Iraq. This direct military involvement revealed a more aggressive stance on regional security and risked broader conflict escalation. Despite military actions, Trump also focused on reducing U.S. military footprint abroad. Beginning in 2018, the administration announced troop reductions in Afghanistan and Iraq. This reflected a shift toward limiting prolonged military engagements, although some forces remained to support counterterrorism operations. The partial withdrawals were controversial, raising questions about regional stability and the future of U.S. involvement. Beyond large-scale strikes, the Trump administration increased reliance on special operations forces. These missions focused on dismantling ISIS cells and terror networks in various countries, including Syria, Somalia, and Yemen. These targeted operations often flew under the radar, but represented a significant form of military involvement, showing a preference for surgical, tactical engagements over full-scale wars. Trump's military involvement did not stand alone, but was paired with extensive economic sanctions, especially against Iran and North Korea. These sanctions aimed to pressure regimes while maintaining a U.S. military presence that underscored readiness to act. This hybrid approach shaped international conflict dynamics, keeping military options visible while relying heavily on economic leverage. What this means for you is understanding how the Trump administration's military decisions shape today's global security landscape. These actions influence diplomatic relations, conflict zones, and U.S. troop deployments, which can impact everything from global markets to your personal safety abroad. Stay informed as these legacies continue to affect international affairs. For more updates on trending global topics, subscribe now.